anybody want a cup of noodle? Model kit, that is? Yes, it is a model kit of a cup of noodles. And it is today's What's in the Box. Hey guys, and welcome into the garage. And yes, today we are going to be taking a look at the cup of noodle kit from Bandai. This is their latest offering. This got released within the last month, I believe it was. It was $18 US for something neat and crazy and silly, so I just had to get it. I've wasted $18 on much worse stuff than this. It's going to be 1:1 scale and molded in various colors, so you could probably pretty much build this straight out of the box without even having to paint it if you don't want to. Not the first time there's been a model kit of food. I can't remember which company it was. They did a complete spaghetti dinner. You even had to cook the noodles. I think they were wax, so you just had to heat them up to form them. Let's check it out. Got to get started with the cup of the noodles for the noodles. And see, it's broken down into various pieces. Not sure how well you can be able to see, but there is writing on that side that like you would find on the actual real product information and what have you is there. Kind of hard to see the white. But there is stuff there as written. You kind of see it. Got that piece there. And then the center section. Taking a look at some of the packaging pieces. This cup of noodle, this will go on the part of the outside. Bunch of rings that make up for the cup. Start with the white ones. You got there's basically 3 rings there. And then there's the red pieces. Taking a look at the noodles, the noodle parts tree. This is going to make up the side part of the noodles. I have this piece too, which I believe is going to be the top part of the noodles. Let's take a look at one of the next parts. It has a little bit of, I guess, everything more food. I guess this has some of the food pieces, some more of the cup pieces, the writing for the cup of noodles. One thing cool about Bandai, they can mold the parts in different colors on the exact same part tree. That is pretty cool for those of us automotive builders. So this is kind of cool. I mean, this is neat. The technology is there, and we can see it right here. So start up top, and we'll take a look at the shrimp. Those are going to be shrimp pieces of shrimp. Over here, molded in brown. I have no idea. I really don't know. I'd have to look. Food items that are molded in yellow. then the cup of noodle lettering there. Pieces of the cup, I believe the bottom and the last item to look at is this green strip here. I believe it's to make some of the onions, the green onions. That's what they're for. What it's for? It's kind of. Finally, some decals and stickers and what have you. So the cup of noodles sticker for the lid. It is a sticker that'll go on the lid. Another peel and stick open tab, so I'm not sure where you'd place that, but it's probably somewhere, who knows. And the decal sheet. So he has the decals for the package writing, all the product packaging information, some shrimp to indicate what kind of cup of noodles you are getting, I guess. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the 1/1 scale cup of noodles kit from Bandai. It's just kind of neat, silly. I think it's kind of interesting. There's a color guide down here if you want to. So, on that note, thanks for watching.